I am going to show you some of our integrations of the FileMaker platform with hardware. We have several devices just to control this machine. We have a stepper motor that rotates this nice plate for delivering the cards. We have a linear actuator to push the cards from the top. We have a regular servo motor to turn this arm to the left and right. There is a small but very useful device here to connect the digital scale. All of this is a demo that consists of hardware integrations that we did for our customers. I'll start talking about the three customers that this is based on. First is a startup from Netherlands called Remotico, and that's a company founded by two brothers who decided to do something with the environment and something to help people, and they built an automated planting machine which is mobile, and they contacted us and turned to us to help them with the software for the machine. So we built software for this machine using the FileMaker platform and Fidgets. Those who don't know Fidgets, that's a company that builds small devices where you can control different hardware things, relays, sensors, even RFID, and so we use that to control the machine, to open valves, to turn on pumps, to turn on and off lights, and everything there is controlled by the software. So basically the idea of this project is that anyone, including restaurants, including local stores, can grow their food locally in a completely automated manner and repeatable, with repeatable quality, because all aspects of the growing process is controlled by the machine. So that's one project. The other one, this is for a company called Chakuma Estates. They have a local company called Trofa Estates in Malawi in Africa. And what they do is that they regularly go to farmers. They buy the crops from them, collect them, give them money, and then the crops travel to the port from where it is distributed to the world. And what we help them with is having automated or semi-automated system, so that they have evidence of everything. So when they go to the farmer for the first time, they register the farmer with an iPhone. Then when they go to the farmer to buy crops like paprikas, they go there, scan the farmer's ID, scan RFID of the sack or bag which they are going to store the crops in. They put the sack on a digital crane scale, as you can see on the bottom picture. They weigh it. The weight goes straight to the iPhone through Bluetooth. And they issue a print receipt using this mobile printer, and so the farmer gets a receipt how much crops they bought, how much they got paid, so no one can cheat. And as a bonus, because the sack has a RFID tag on it, when the sack is delivered to the final customer, they can track the specific sack by the RFID back to the original farmer who produced it, and they have all the information like when it was grown, in which field, and what GPS coordinates, everything. And the third project was for a company in California who builds these racks for storing photomasks, reticles. So they do these for big semiconductor companies, And in these companies, what is specific is that they need to protect everything against misuse. So I can imagine, or you can imagine that when you would have developed a new chip for a new computer, and it would be 10 times faster than the previous one, you don't want anyone to be able to steal it before you produce it. So even the employees who deal with the photomasks don't know what they have in their hands. Only the system that's built in FileMaker knows it. And what we help them with is that when they come to the storage room, they scan barcode of the photomask, which is in a closed envelope. And the system tells them randomly what position in the rack they should store it in. And they tell them by lighting these LED lights around the rack. So they light up the position in the rack, so the employee just goes, puts the photomask there, and when they need to collect it, they get an order. They need to collect the specific photomask. They again don't know what the photomask is. They know just the serial number. And again, the system tells them using the LED lights where in the rack it is stored. So these are three of the projects that we did this year with hardware integrations. And in this demo, we have something that you can take as a virtual, or actually a real mobile store where we have products inspired by the Giacomo, by the Malawian project. So welcome to our store where we have high quality African macadamia nuts, chili peppers and paprikas. And to play with our demo, we will start with you choosing a personality, who you want to pretend to be as a customer. So we have a set of credit cards, so pick one. So tell us who you are now.
I am now Jack O'Neill.
Jack O'Neill. Nice to meet you, Jack. So welcome to our store again. And here we have an iPad, which you can use as an interface to choose what you want to buy. So select the product.
I would like to buy paprika.
Okay, so select paprika. Now we see that paprika is blinking, and here you can see in a moment that when the system starts processing it, it will show paprika with the blue lights, and the yellow lights indicate we are actually delivering paprika from the stock. So now the machine has taken one card representing the product from the stock, and it was brought to the customer. So take the product, please. And now I am next person. I'm outside of the stock, and my role is now to check whether you got the right product and whether it's the right quality and quantity. So here I have an iPhone which is equipped with UHF RFID reader. So please give me the card. I will just scan the card. It says it's paprika, so that's right, and tells me put on scale. So I put it on the scale to check whether it's the right weight. And it's 5.6 grams, which green means it's right. So I click right up next. And now we are ready to proceed to payment. And you see the green lights here indicate that we are in the next stage of the process, which is payment. So now I'm the next person. I'm the cashier. So please let me scan the product here. It has a barcode on it. So I will use this another iPhone with the Linear Pro barcode reader. I'll scan it. You see it's paprika for $2.50. How do you want to pay? By card or cash?
By card.
By card. So I'll select card here. So let me use your card. I will just scan the card. It was accepted. And now on this mobile printer, a receipt is coming out. So here's your receipt. for the payment.
Thank you.
And here's your paprika.
Thank you.
Thank you for your assistance.
That's all for now. I would like to thank you for watching this video to the end, and because I value your time you have spent watching it, let me give you 30 minutes of my time in return. Just use this link and schedule one free 30-minute consultation. I look forward to talking to you.